You wake up every day thinking you still have time to fix your habits, time to chase your goals, time to become who you said you would be. But one day, something feels different. That day, he woke up like always. Same bed, same phone, same lazy thoughts. He picked up his phone, started scrolling. Minutes turned into hours, but suddenly he stopped. Not because he was motivated, not because he watched some inspirational video, but because he realized something is scary. Nothing in his life was changing. Same routine, same excuses, same version of himself. For years, he sat there in silence, and for the first time, he asked himself a real question. What if I stay like this forever? That question hit hard, because deep down he knew the answer. If he didn't change today, nothing would ever change. No dream life, no success, no respect, just regret. That's when it clicked. Change doesn't come from motivation. It comes from decision, a painful, uncomfortable decision. So that day, he did something different. He got up immediately, no snooze, no scrolling. His mind was screaming, "Do it later, relax, you deserve a break." But he ignored it. He started small, made his bed, went for a walk, sat down to work, even when he didn't feel like it. It wasn't perfect. He got distracted, he felt tired, he wanted to quit. But he didn't, because now he understood something most people never do. Your life is not built in one big moment. It's built in small decisions, repeated every single day. Days turned into weeks, weeks turned into months. Slowly, things started changing. More focus, more discipline, more confidence. Not because life became easy, but because he became stronger. And one day, he looked back at the old version of himself, the one who used to scroll for hours, the one who kept saying tomorrow, the one who was stuck. And he smiled, because that person doesn't exist anymore. So ask yourself right now, are you going to stay the same, or are you finally going to decide? Not tomorrow, not next week, today. Because the truth is simple. Your future is not waiting for you. It is being created by what you choose to do right now.